Three AI tools. Millions of people arguing about which one is best, and nobody actually giving a clear answer. I'm going to fix that right now. In the next 60 seconds, I'll tell you exactly which AI tool to use based on what you're trying to do. No sponsored opinion, no affiliate pressure, just the honest answer. The answer might surprise you, and the answer might actually surprise you because it's not the one most people assume. Let's quickly set the stage. ChatGPT, made by OpenAI, the one that started it all, most famous, most talked about, most people's first experience with AI. Claude, made by Anthropic, the underdog that most beginners don't know about, but professionals quietly use it more than anything else. Gemini, made by Google, the newest major player, deeply connected to Google's ecosystem, more powerful than people give it credit for. All three have completely free versions. All three are genuinely good, but they are not the same. And using the wrong one for the wrong job is like using a hammer to cut wood. Let's compare them across 5 key areas. For writing and content creation, emails, scripts, captions, blog posts, YouTube descriptions, Claude wins, clearly. Claude's writing sounds the most natural, the most human, the least like a robot wrote it. When I write YouTube scripts, and I'm writing them right now for this course, Claude is what I use, every time. ChatGPT is good too, but Claude's output needs less editing, and for content creators, that matters a lot. Writing, Claude number 1, ChatGPT number 2, Gemini number 3. For research and current information, finding current information, checking recent news, getting updated facts, Gemini wins. Why? Because Gemini is made by Google. It has live access to Google Search built in, real-time information, current events, things that happened this week. ChatGPT has web search too on the paid version. Claude is more limited here on the free plan, so if you need current, accurate information, Gemini is your tool. Research, Gemini number 1, ChatGPT number 2, Claude number 3. For coding and technical tasks, writing code, debugging, understanding technical concepts, this is close, but Claude edges it. Claude handles long, complex coding tasks with fewer errors. It explains what it's doing in plain English, and it's genuinely patient when you ask follow-up questions. ChatGPT is nearly as good here. Both are dramatically better than Gemini for coding. Coding, Claude number 1, ChatGPT number 2, Gemini number 3. For image generation, this one isn't close. ChatGPT wins with DALL-E built right in. You can generate images directly in the chat. No extra tool, no extra account. Claude doesn't generate images. Gemini generates images, but the quality is inconsistent. For visuals, thumbnails, product mockups, social media graphics, ChatGPT with DALL-E is your tool. Images, ChatGPT number 1, Gemini number 2, Claude number 3. And the question everyone has, how good are the free versions actually? ChatGPT free, GPT 5.5 access but with limits. After heavy usage it slows you down, good for casual use. Claude free, surprisingly generous. The free version of Claude is better than the paid version of many other AI tools. Highly recommended to start here, but you have to use it smartly, otherwise chat limit reached quickly. I will make a separate video of that. Gemini free, full features, no major limits. Google wants you using it, so they keep the free version very open. Free plan, Gemini number 1, ChatGPT number 2, Claude number 3. So which one should you use? Okay, the honest verdict. If you're a complete beginner and want to start with one tool, start with Claude. Here's why. The writing quality is the best. The free plan is generous. It's the most patient and clear when you ask follow-up questions. And for content creators and entrepreneurs, which is who this course is for, it's the most immediately useful. But here's my actual recommendation. Use all three. They're all free. Claude for writing and thinking, Gemini for research and current events, ChatGPT for images. You don't have to pick one. You just need to know which tool to reach for first. Claude is for writing, Gemini is for research, ChatGPT is for images. 5 minutes, 3 tools. You now have more AI power than most Fortune 500 employees had access to 5 years ago. In the next video, I'm going to show you, live on screen, first conversation, first prompt, first result, starting from 0. Comment below, which of the 3 tools did you already know about, and which one surprised you? As always, I don't know where you're watching from, but I know you're building something real, and I'm here for every step of it.